Allah Ta'ala says in the beginning, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wal Asr. There are 4 things in this surah that Allah Ta'ala tells us, and we recite this all the time. If we acted on these 4 things, we would find ourselves able to withstand the waves that were crashing upon us. Number 1, when I'm being tested, I have to check my faith. Where am I in my relationship with Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala? Have I been neglecting Him, or have I been investing in Him? Which one? Am I getting closer or further away? No one's standing still, by the way. Am I getting closer to Allah, or am I moving further away from Allah? That's a question that I have to answer. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. Where is my belief in Allah? Do I prefer things over Him? Do I choose things over Him? Do I delay going to Him because I prefer something else? Where am I with my belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. And I can say that I believe in Allah all I want, but what is my resume looking like? There's a huge difference between somebody who claims something and someone who can show their work. So if a person wants to show their faith in Allah, ask yourself, what have I done? وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالْحَقِّ. And when you are around good people, you remind each other of the truth, of your faith. You encourage each other. You give each other hope. You give each other strength. You give each other thabat. You give each other firmness. وَتَوَاصَوْا بِالصَّبْرِ. And after you believe and do good deeds and you're surrounded by people that remind you of the truth, what do you experience in your life? Sabr.